The code H7404 serves only for Bobcat loaders, and it means that the system registered a problem with the main controller communication. Please pay attention to the word communication. This means that there is a problem with wiring, connectors, fuses or relays, but it's most likely not a problem with the main controller itself, unless it was physically damaged or there was some water spillage or something like this. Also, one of the pretty common problems that can cause this is low voltage in the controller. I would start checking this problem with the battery and alternator. It would be good if you check the battery with a low watt tester, because the battery can show normal voltage when the engine is off, but when you are starting your equipment, the voltage may be dropping heavily, and this will eventually cause problems with the electronics. So if the battery is okay and the alternator is charging it properly, then you will need to inspect the fuses and wiring. When it comes to fuses, there are a lot of Bobcat models, and you will need to find the fuse map for your model to identify which fuses are responsible for the main controller operation. Or alternatively, you may check all fuses in the fuse box, which won't take you much time. You don't need to take them out, just make sure that there is continuity between the two metal posts on the surface of each fuse. If the fuses are okay, the next step is to check the wiring. I would pay attention to all the ground cables first. They tend to get corroded or loose over time, and if they have poor connection, the voltage in the system will drop. Also, make sure that the connectors in the main controller system look good and are fastened tightly. Unfortunately, in some cases the problem is hidden deeper in the control modules or the controller itself, and you will need professional diagnostic equipment to find the initial culprit. But in most cases, this code is easy to take care of on your own.